Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I keep my seeds organized. Just like a lot of you, I have more seeds than I will probably ever use, but I just keep buying more and I keep trading with other gardeners, and you have to have somewhere to put all of these seeds. I used to just cram all of my seeds into big gallon-sized Ziploc storage bags and keep them in the refrigerator. That got to be too much because I had too many seeds and they were taking up too much space in my fridge. But last year I got a little bit more organized, and this year I'm doing even better. So these two boxes are what I'm storing my seeds in now. I got these at Dollar General. They're really heavy-duty cardboard boxes, and you can buy these at, like I said, Dollar General, Walmart, Target. A lot of places sell them. I put the dividers in here myself. This is just heavy pieces of cardboard. And I have 3 rows of seeds going this way. This is just my vegetables. My flowers are in this box. The rows are divided up into sections. For example, these are my root vegetables. Back here is cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli, lettuce and spinach, miscellaneous cool season vegetables, beans, cucumbers. There's just a bunch of stuff here. It's all pretty organized. Herbs are back here, and from here on up are my tomatoes. I have a ridiculous amount of tomato seeds. Really, it's crazy. These are the ones that I'm probably going to be planting this year. Then I have all of these. There's a lot here. It's hard to see, but... And I also have these 2 bags, and these are full of tomato seeds. This bag has 83 varieties in it, and this bag has 78 varieties in it. On one of the gardening forums that I frequent, I participated in this huge trade 2 different times where you sent in 50 packs of seeds. I think it was 10 varieties, 5 packs each, and you got 50 varieties back. I did that trade twice, and that's why I have so many tomato seeds, more than I'll ever grow. But it's kind of nice to have my own little personal seed store in here. There's a lot to choose from. There's also a lot of tomato seeds in here that I have saved myself from my own plants. And by the way, tomato seeds and a lot of other vegetable varieties are good for at least several years after they were saved. I've grown tomatoes that were 5 to 6 years old with no problems, pretty good germination each time. But just in case, whenever I sow older seeds, I always plant extra seeds in case the germination rate isn't very high. I know some people that throw out their seeds after only a couple of years, and they definitely last longer than that. At least most things do. There are a couple things that loses their viability pretty quickly, onions being one of them. But just save your seeds, and you'd be surprised to find out how many of them are good at least a few years after the seeds were harvested. This is a pretty deep box. If you buy seeds from Baker Creek, you do need to make sure that if you save them this way, you get a really deep box, because the seed packets are really tall compared to most seed companies' packets. There's a big difference there. Next, I'm going to show you my flower seeds. This box is not as organized as my big box, but I don't have as many flower seeds. There's a lot here, but I can just flip through here to find what I need. I have a lot of other stuff in this box that I use for seed saving and for starting my seeds. I have these little envelopes that I made, and I made a YouTube video on how to make these. I'll put it up on the screen if anybody's interested. I have these little paper baggies that I got at Walmart. You can find them in the craft section. I have these sticks. I use them for seedling labels. Here's some just stick-on labels. There's tape in here, a pen so that I can label things, a whole bunch of little baggies of seeds. As I said before, this box is not as organized as the other one, but that's okay. I'm not a super organized person. I'm sure a lot of people would think this is slop, but I am happy with it. It works for me. If you have seeds scattered all over your house and you can't find them half the time, I hope this gave you some ideas on how you could get organized. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.